moving forward with this assignment, so as you know how you can see, this is most of these calculations zero because we don't have total clients. So we're going to do a simple what if analysis. It's pretty manual in the word that we're going to change the total clients value. So right now it's zero. So you can pay attention to the net income and all the other expenses calculations. So it's going to start with putting what if we have 50 clients. Then what if we have, still as you can see, income is coming in negative. What if we have 60 clients? And you change it and fix it to 65. And right now I have a net income of $17.95. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it as 65 for now, and we need to move forward to the next. So in the following, we're going to do break-even analysis. The break-even analysis is a built-in tool. It's a control available in the developer tab. Okay, and in Excel. So if you do not have the developer tab showing here on the top, you can always go to options and add it to your custom ribbon. So if it's, you will need to do, just go ahead and check it here, because if it's, if it's unchecked, just go ahead and check it. Excel will add it as an additional tab on your Excel application. So I'm going to click here. So the break-even analysis tool, okay, it is a built-in developer control. Okay, so I'm going to click on developer here and insert. I'm we're going to use this one, the scroll bar, break even. Then in cell, I think in column E4, just click on it, and then now it's how you see the cursor is changing. It's will be, just go ahead and place it here. You can adjust the location between E4 and E17 as much as possible. Now it's not active because I don't have, it's not connected to any variable, but I'm gonna go ahead and assign some, format it in a way we will be assigning some values. Okay. So the current value, the current value right now, this is going to control the total client. So it's right now is 65. The minimum value that we want to start with is 60 up to 100 or 120. Sorry, 120, and increment by 1. Just leave this the page change, and this is the important part because it's gonna really connect to one of these cells. So we're gonna connect to cell D4 and click OK. So what just happened now, in other words, this, if you change it up and down, it will change the values. So we're gonna fix it to 64 or 65. How, we just leave it as 65. As you can see how it's really now controlling the variable values. Okay, that's one type of analysis. How I did it manual, now it's using the scroll bar control. So in D19, right now it's just for basic format. We're going to add a conditional format here in D. So this is another very visual way to analyze and look at outcomes. So conditional format, that's we learned it before. So click on the cell to activate it, and we're going to look into change these or add values greater than. So if the value is greater than 0, highlighted in green, and same, but use it less than 0, leave it in red. In other words, if this values less than 0 will highlight it in red. Okay, so right now we're going to do the second type analysis. It's called the one variable table. And this is one of the what if analysis tool. We'll be doing it here in this table. So these values here are these represent the total clients. Let me see the first valuable and loan. Sorry, we're not going to work here on this one. We're going to work on the loan first. Just do a one what if analysis, basic, simple, and then you go back and complete the break-even analysis here. So we're going to work on the loan conditions worksheet. So first, I don't have any values. So this is a table. It's a blank table. So what do we have here? I do have a monthly payment. So as you know, the PMT function or the monthly payment based on interest rate, the number of payments, and of course, we're trying to pay a loan amount. So first I'm going to generate some substitute values in cells, starting in cell D3. So I'm going to change the percentage, the interest rate. So it's 5% to 6%, and then you can just keep typing it or use the auto, just select both and increment by 1 to reach 11. So in other words, we're gonna look into analysis if we change the interest rate.